Hi there, Kristen Galloway, occupational therapist. Today I'm going to talk about how to assemble a standard walker with two wheels. This is a folding model, as you can see. Comes in the box with a frame, just like this. The two front legs with the wheels, and the two back legs with the rubber stoppers on the end. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is stand the frame up. We're going to unfold it by pulling the arms out until the releases click into place. Same thing on this side. And then we're going to flip the frame upside down. The front of the frame has these two crossbars on it, so that's how you'll know that's the front. And we're going to take the front leg, which has the wheel. This is the one that goes on this side because the wheels face out and the holes for the pin are in the back. So we're going to push the pin, slide this on until it snaps into place. Don't worry about which hole it goes into right now, just getting the legs on first, and we'll adjust for height later. The wheel goes on towards the outside, so we'll do the same thing. The other front leg, again the wheel facing the outside, simply press the pin, slide the leg on until it snaps into place. And then we'll do the back legs. These don't have a correct side, so you can put them on either side. Again, just pressing the pin and sliding the leg on until it snaps into place. And the last leg, press the pin and slide it on until it snaps into place. At this point, you would flip the walker back upright. And I have another video, which I'll link in the description below, which discusses how to adjust it to the appropriate height for the user. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this helpful.